Thundoo launches stylish and innovative rechargeable puck lights, a must-have for modern homes. Thundoo, a leading name in innovative home solutions, proudly unveils its latest product, rechargeable puck lights. These lights combine sleek design with advanced functionality and user-friendly functions to revolutionize the home lighting industry by making it more stylish, efficient and adaptable. Easy installation in any space. Thundoo rechargeable puck light is designed for convenience and simplicity. These lights are easy to install, requiring no drilling or wiring. Installation is easy with peel and stick adhesive backing. Simply press the light on your desired surface. These lights are perfect for cabinets, shelves, and wardrobes. They will keep your home looking clean and elegant. The upgraded design has strong magnets inside that attach securely to metallic surfaces. The lights can be detached and reattached easily. This provides stability while also allowing for easy removal. The lights can easily be moved and repositioned, whether you are cleaning or organizing. Thundoo's innovative installation method preserves your space's aesthetics while improving its functionality. Rechargeable convenience and durable performance. These puck lights feature a rechargeable high-capacity battery. They are designed to last. One charge will provide hours of reliable and bright illumination. Perfect for everyday use. The rapid charging technology allows the lights to be ready in a matter of minutes, reducing downtime. These lights are both eco-friendly and cost-effective because they use rechargeable batteries instead of disposable ones. Thundoo's puck lights are rechargeable, allowing you to enjoy long-lasting performance while maintaining sustainability. Lighting options for every room. Thundoo's rechargeable puck light is designed to fit into a variety of settings. They can be used for both practical and decorative purposes. They are ideal for many applications due to their compact size and wireless capabilities. Cabinets for kitchen light up hard-to-reach areas to make it easier to access utensils, ingredients, and other items. Wardrobes find clothing and accessories with bright, clear lighting. Shelves display areas, draw attention to books, collectibles, or decor items. Living rooms and bedrooms create ambient light for relaxation or entertaining. These lights combine style and function to create a perfect lighting solution for any home. Sleek design meets cutting-edge functionality. Thundoo rechargeable pucks are not only functional, but also designed to complement any modern home. Their minimalist design adds sophistication to any space and blends seamlessly with existing decor. These lights are compact, but they offer powerful illumination that can be adjusted. The multi-level brightness settings can be controlled by remote to allow you to adjust the lighting according to your requirements, whether it is for ambient light or task lighting. Why Thundoo is the best choice? Thundoo stands for style, quality, and innovation. The brand's rechargeable puck lights demonstrate its commitment to providing top-rated products to enhance everyday life. These lights are designed for durability and practicality, while focusing on elegance and functionality. Thundoo is a household name for its user-friendly and energy-efficient lighting solutions. Rechargeable puck lights are a must-have for anyone who wants to update their living space. Where to buy? Thundoo's rechargeable puck lights are now available. Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality by visiting Rechargeable Puck Lights or explore more options with Puck Light. About Thundoo. Thundoo, a trusted name in lighting and lifestyle products for the home, offers innovative and high-quality solutions to simplify and elevate daily living. Thundoo is a trusted brand in home lighting and lifestyle products, offering innovative, high-quality solutions designed to simplify and elevate everyday living.